Are you tired of juggling multiple financial apps for your global business? Have you heard of Airwallex and wondered if it's just another Revolut? You're not alone. In today's interconnected world, managing international finances can feel like navigating a maze. From currency conversion fees to cross-border payment delays, the challenges are real and they impact your bottom line. But what if there were a solution that simplified this whole process? A platform that didn't just move your money, but gave you the tools to manage your global operations seamlessly? That's the promise of fintech companies like Airwallex and Revolut. On the surface, they both offer solutions for international payments and currency exchange, but a closer look reveals they're built for very different audiences and purposes. Revolut burst onto the scene as a digital-first bank, revolutionizing personal finance with fee-free currency exchange and a sleek app. It's the globetrotter's best friend, perfect for freelancers and individuals who need to spend and send money abroad without a hefty price tag. Its focus is on the consumer, making everyday banking feel effortless and borderless. Think of it as your all-in-one financial super app for personal use. Airwallex, on the other hand, is built from the ground up for businesses. While Revolut might help an individual pay for a hotel in Japan, Airwallex helps a business in the UK pay its suppliers in Japan, collect payments from customers in the US, and manage payroll for employees in Germany. It's a B2B platform designed to handle the complexities of international commerce. It provides global accounts in multiple currencies, lets you issue virtual cards for employee expenses, and offers a robust API for integrating with your existing systems. So, while both platforms deal with money moving across borders, their core functions and target markets are distinct. Revolut is a consumer-focused challenger bank, offering a fantastic personal finance experience. Airwallex is a business-to-business fintech platform, providing a global financial infrastructure for companies looking to expand internationally. The key difference lies in their approach. Revolut aims to be the consumer's bank, making every transaction feel simple and cheap. Airwallex aims to be the financial operating system for global businesses, providing the tools and infrastructure needed to thrive in a global marketplace. If you're a freelancer making the occasional international transfer, Revolut might be all you need. But if you're running a business with global ambitions, managing multiple currencies and paying international teams, Airwallex is the powerhouse you should be looking at. Choosing the right tool depends entirely on your needs. A carpenter doesn't use a hammer to cut wood, and a chef doesn't use a whisk to chop vegetables. The same logic applies here. Understand your audience, understand your needs, and then pick the tool that's best suited for the job. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.